Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a Pinterest inspired collaboration project I do with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. I'm going to post a link below this video to her channel so you can check her out, show her some YouTube love, subscribe, and get more inspiration. So this past week we were supposed to do an altered paintbrush project. And we could do it in any style, but I chose Christmas in July theme since I'm kind of really working on a lot of Christmas. And I'm going to show you the back first. So this had a black handle, and I went in with some green and gold paint and just kind of swirled that in. I white gesso the handle first so it would accept the paint better. And just kind of splashed it on. I did this part white, and then I also went down into the paintbrush and painted that. And then this is how the whole thing turned out. I thought it was really cute. I used the stamp set from Darcy's Heart and Home stamp set, and this one is called Decorate Christmas. So use the bird and then the Decorate Your Christmas with Joy sentiment. And I purchased this from the Not Too Shabby Shop, which is Jamie's store. And right there's my sentiment. And I backed it up with some gold glitter cardstock. And then I have different sets of leaves. I have leaf branches, and then I also have the holly leaves back here, or poinsettia leaves, and then I made this poinsettia from one of the dies I have in my stash. And then I also have another die which you can make smaller ones, so I did that here. And I just put greens and poinsettias throughout the handle. Used some gold ribbon to make a bow and a hanger up here, and then just glued this little birdie guy on. I thought he was really cute. So that's how my paintbrush turned out, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. There's tons of different altered paintbrushes on Pinterest. Just head over to Pinterest and in your search bar put in altered paintbrushes. There's so many beautiful ones on there. You'll definitely get inspired to do one of these. But I thought it'd be cute to hang in the art room and for the holidays. So, okay, thanks for watching. Take care and happy crafting.